What's happening, y'all? It's Neff again. Hey, I've had this dust right system for a couple days now, and I gotta tell you guys, this thing sucks. I'm so impressed. This is a huge upgrade from what we were using, and there's barely any dust. This thing sucks good. It's keeping the garage clean. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a quick video that I did cutting on the miter saw, which creates all kinds of dust, and this thing took care of it like there was no tomorrow. Here's the bad boy one more time right before the video. Man, I love this thing. Thank you, Rockler.